Hello everyone who has to prepare a lecture online now. I wanted to very briefly show you how to do this on an iPad. First thing you need is an app that lets you take notes. I like to use Notability, but there's many other options. So once you have this capability, then you can write notes on here and deliver them. For instance, the easiest way to record is to use the iOS built-in record function. The way that you find that is through your settings. You go into settings, and then you go into control center, and then you go into customize controls. If you notice up here I have include screen recording. If you don't have it there, just click on the plus sign. Down lower, there's an option called screen recording. You select it. You go back. When you're ready to start recording, swipe up from the right-hand corner, click on the record button. It will say 3, 2, 1, and then you're recording whatever you have on your iPad screen. Super easy and super convenient.